Hi friends, in today's video I'll show you how to disable or pause Windows 11 updates. Yes, you can disable updates for Windows 11 Microsoft products as well as apps downloaded from Microsoft stores. So let's start with the basic method, that is for temporary disabling the updates. For that, just go to the start, from there go to the settings, and from here just go to Windows Update, and here you will see an option to pause updates. You can pause your update starting from 1 week to 5 weeks from here, but this pausing is only for a temporary basis and that will restart after the limited period. Now the second method is to disable it from the services, that is Windows Update services. For that, just go to the start, from there just go to run and type in services.msc, open it. Now here on the right side you can see all the services running within your computer. So just look for Windows Update. You can see Windows Update here, it's running. Just right click on it, then go to the properties. From here change the startup type from manual to disable, and you can see that the service current status is running. You can just stop it and click on apply and click on OK. Now the next method is using the metered connection. A metered connection will help limit Windows activities in the background. It will also allow you to take advantage of Windows Update options and block updates indefinitely. So for that, just go to start, and from there to the settings, and then click on network and internet. Now just click on Wi-Fi, expand it. Now you have to select your network connection, just open it, expand it. Now here you will see an option that is metered connection. Now you have to turn on the toggle for a metered connection, just turn it on. Now after that, just go to the Windows Update and click on advanced option. Now here look for download updates over a metered connection. Here you can see that. Just make sure that this is off. That's it. Windows will now respect your network settings and disable automatic updates on metered connection. Now the next method is to hide updates. Microsoft has a Windows Update troubleshooter tool that will let you hide specific updates that you don't want to be installed while keeping everything else updated. So for that, you have to download and use a tool. I'll share the link of the tool in the description. You can take it from there, and you have to download that tool. For downloading the tool, just go to this link, that is majorgeeks.com site. From here, download W Show Hide. Just click on download. Just open it. Now click on next. Now this tool will now look for available and hidden updates for your system. Now the searching is completed and you can see hide updates. Just click on that and you can see the list of updates which you can hide from Windows getting installed. So this depends upon your priority. You can select which one need to be updated and which is not to be updated. So for that you have to check the box one by one and then click on next. So those features won't be updated in your Windows 11. Next method is using the third-party tools. I'll share the link in the description from where you can download this particular tool. I'm using Win Updates OP. Just download it and then follow the steps that is mentioned in this video. It's easy to use. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like and share. Thank you.